In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate QuickBooks to streamline your financial tracking and accounting needs. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger company, QuickBooks is an essential tool in keeping everything in check. Let's get started on this easy-to-follow guide to maximize your QuickBooks experience. First things first, you'll want to go to QuickBooks. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the QuickBooks URL in the address bar. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account. QuickBooks is a versatile platform that caters to a wide range of accounting tasks, and logging in will give you access to all its features tailored to your specific needs. Now that you're on the QuickBooks homepage, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll see a search bar symbolized by a magnifying glass icon. Clicking on this icon will open up the search function, which is a handy tool for navigating through QuickBooks efficiently. The search function allows you to quickly find transactions, reports, or other financial information without having to sift through various menus and options. After clicking the magnifying glass, you'll notice that a range of search suggestions will appear. These suggestions are designed to help you find what you're looking for quickly. The suggestions might also show common searches or frequently accessed items, all tailored based on your past activities or common tasks within the platform. Utilizing these suggestions can save you time and effort, ensuring that you focus on what truly matters, managing your business finances effectively. As you explore the search suggestions, one useful option to take note of is the Recent Transactions feature. By clicking on this, you'll be presented with a list of your most recent transactions, giving you instant access to the latest financial activities. This real-time feature is particularly beneficial for businesses with frequent transactions, as it allows you to monitor updates closely and ensure everything is accurate and accounted for. In summary, navigating through QuickBooks and its features like the search function and recent transactions can significantly enhance your efficiency in financial management. The ability to quickly access and review transactions and reports means you can make informed decisions faster and with greater confidence. By practicing these steps regularly, you'll soon become proficient in using QuickBooks, making it an invaluable asset in your business toolkit. Thank you for watching this guide on how to use QuickBooks effectively. We hope this helps you streamline your accounting tasks with ease and precision. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for support. Until next time, happy accounting.